You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy, and Bitcoin is now trading at 28.9k. We see the market go up to 29k, and I was talking about this breakout on the channel, and that is what we are seeing right now. And on the 4-hour chart, I talk about this very rectangular pattern, and the market have a chance of coming back down. And if you see a breakout to the upside, the market is going to move up. You see the market move right way to the upside right here. If you watch this very video where I say breakout soon to the upside, you will see that very analysis out yourself. And right here on the ETH chart, I said if market can break this level of support, then that means market will continue into this area, and that is what we are seeing right now as well. And on the 4-hour chart, ETH, the same thing, market moving to the upside after a breakout of this level of resistance. And also on Matic, what are we paying attention to? This resistance is still holding the market back down. All of these and more in today's analysis. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. On the 1-day chart, if you look at this very area, I talk about the market moving to the upside, and that is what we are seeing right now. It is not in news anymore that the market is approaching the upside. And if you look at the MACD have already crossed over each other, the MACD line and the signal line, and there is a big dilation between the signal line and the MACD line, and also an increase in momentum on the MACD histogram to the upside, that is on the positive side, forming these green bars right now. What you need to pay attention to is where the market will pause. Very, very important, so that if you take this position after this breakout that I was talking about, where should be your target, or where will you exit the market and collect profit, or should you move your sell to break even right now? If you look at this chart, it discovered that the markets go down all the way from this very area of $31,000, a market come back right down. And what you need to pay attention to is this very critical resistance at this very area. You see, this resistance will hold the market. I am expecting the market to come up a little bit into this level of resistance. So as the market begin to move to the upside, what I will be doing is paying attention to the way the market approach this level and the way the candlesticks are formed when the market are approaching this level. What that implies is if I begin to see sluggish movement in the candlestick formation into this area of important resistance, then that will also mean that this very area of resistance right here will definitely hold the market, and the market will retrace back before continuation to the upside. And one thing I talked to you about in my previous video is you have to understand the way the market move. When market impulse, let's say for example market come down and then the impulse again to the downside, and then the impulse again to the downside, if you look at the length of the movement, they are almost the same. So if we use that analogy and begin to apply it on this very length of impulse that we're seeing right now in the market, you see that the market move all the way from here up to this point. What this also means is that don't expect any aggressive move in the market anymore. And also, in addition to that, we are not in a bull market, and right now expect a little bit of movement from where the market is right now into this level of important resistance, because the market will definitely pause for a retracement before continuation. What I am saying is market will always come back to the upside, and after this very impulsive move, market will definitely retrace back to the downside before continuation again to the upside. What you need to pay attention to right now is the market retracing and possible area that you should be taking profits before the next move to the downside. So expect the market to move gradually into this level of resistance. Expect the market to move from here up to this level of resistance, and then from this very level of 29,800 to this very area of $31,000. Expect the market to retrace within this very area for the market to move to the downside. So from here up to this very point of $29,700, market should retrace back down before continuation again to the upside. And there must be a breakout. We must see a breakout of this resistance for us to confirm that the market is going to move to the upside. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now on the 1-day chart. So if you take a position after this breakout that I was talking about right here, it is the right time for you to move your LCL to break even and collect half profit, because you need to secure your profit. And on the 4-hour chart right here, I talk about this very rectangular pattern, and I said a breakout is going to make the market to move to the upside, and the exact same thing we are seeing right now is that the market to move all the way from this very area of important support up to this point, and then market consolidate before this movement to the upside. And you need to understand that area of consolidation like this are area where the market is building momentum. That means after the build up of momentum, market will definitely break out. It can break out and retest in this case before the next move to the upside, and most time it just break out and move straight to the upside. It does not matter, that is just for breakout trading strategy. But the most important thing right here is the market have already broken out. So if you take a position right now, you should move your asset to break even and collect half profit on this position. And right now where the market is right here at 28.9k is not the right time to buy the market. The reason is because the market has already moved from this very area of consolidation up to this point of $29,000, and market is on the retracement mode. What I am looking at here is this level of important resistance. If you look at this area, we have a lot of resistance right here. I see resistance all the way right here. All this resistance will hinder the market from moving to the upside. So what you need to do right now is to collect profit and move your LCL to break even. So from this very area right here, the market should retrace to the downside. That is, don't expect any further move to the upside or aggressive move to the upside on BTC USDT 4-hour chart right on this very point. So expect the market to retrace from this point where the market is into this level of important resistance. Market should retrace back down, then continuation to the upside. And I'm going to tell you when this retracement will possibly end before the next buy to the upside, or you can also long the market on futures to the upside. This is what you need to pay attention to right now on the 4-hour chart BTC USDT at this very point. And on the ETH 1-day chart, I told you that market need to break out of this very level of support. We'll turn resistance here in the market. A market have already broken that level. That means we're going to see further movement to the upside in a boost to this level of resistance. And what I am also paying attention to is that the MACD just started formation on the positive side of the MACD right here, which means the market will continue a little bit to the upside. While the market is moving to the upside, I will be monitoring how the MACD histogram increase in momentum from this very area to the upside as the market is moving up. And if you look at it as well, there is a dilation between the MACD line and the signal line, very little at this very point as well. This is an indication that market is going to further move to the upside, and need to pay attention to this very level of important resistance at this very area. This is where I'm expecting this market to move into before the market will then retrace back down and then continuation again to the upside. So what you need to pay attention to right now is this immediate move right here to the upside. Market is moving right now to the upside, and it will continue in this bullish formation in the next 1 to 2 days on the 1-day chart ETH USDT. And on the 4-hour chart, I talked to you also about this level of important resistance and consolidation. Market consolidated and the market did not create a new high. And one thing very important is that if you look at this point, the market move aggressively to the downside and then consolidate and then further movement to the downside as well. What it implies is that the market is finding it difficult to move from this area to the upside. That means there are sellers seated at this point to make the market move to the downside. So pay attention to this very point of resistance right here on the chart, market should retrace from this very level right now, and that is what I am paying attention to. Retracement is possible from where the market is right now, that is $1,828. From this point up to this very area, market should retrace back down before continuation again to the upside. And you must have to master the strategy of when retracement have ended in the market before continuation, because this is very important. Reason why, it will give you a nice probability entry in the market and not actually entering late or entering too early when the market has finished retracement and about to make another impulse to the upside. These are techniques that you need to build in your trading arsenal, and this is what I am expecting. A breakout here after retracement. This retracement that I'm expecting right now will mean that the market is going to further move to the upside as well on ETH for our chart. If you look at Matic here, Matic have not really done well because of this resistance have not been broken yet. What I am still expecting is a total breakout of this very resistance level, which is very important. If you look at it from previous price action, market come down all the way from this level to this very area and then retrace a little bit, come back down, could not create a new low lower than this very spike in the market. And I told you that I am not expecting the market to retrace back down below this very level of 0.56 cents, and the market is now coming back down out of this level of resistance. Pay attention to a breakout on this level of resistance, guys, because market is going to break out. Once that breakout occur, then the market is going to move aggressively to the upside. This is what you need to pay attention to right now. And also, I am not expecting this market to just crash back down into this level and then move to the downside. The possibility exists, but that is not what I am looking for. I am looking for a little retracement or a consolidation within this level and then a breakout here. That breakout is very important with a significant bullish candle that breaks above every other close within this area of resistance. Once we see that, then market is going to move to the upside in a good mode of impulse. What are you expecting on BTC 1-day chart? Do you think this market is going to move to the upside to this level of resistance, or we're going to see the market come back down from this area, retracement before continuation to the upside? Comment below in the comment section of this video. And if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. If you want to learn how to do simple technical analysis like this for profitable trading, pure price action, check the description of this video. You see a contact, reach out to me immediately for a comprehensive training. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.